Alright, so in the last lesson we talked about the syntax of Python, and I showed you guys how to do some basic debugging just in case if you got some errors in your script. Now you probably won't be using too much of that stuff right now, but as we start to work with variables and different things as we're going to learn about in this lesson, you're going to probably get more syntax errors, so that's good stuff to know. So let's talk about variables for a second. So variables can be used in Python to basically represent something, and the best way to explain what a variable is to actually give you guys an example. So you see here on our page we have our print function, we have hello. So if we hit run our script, you can see that it just prints hello to the console. So we can add a variable to basically change the way this works. So the way we type variables out is we type them as follows. So I'm going to make it so that this string hello can be saved as a variable. So let's go variable, and we'll go 1. And let's give it the string hello. So basically what this is doing is this saying that variable 1 is equal to the string hello. And again guys, you'll kind of see how this works once we give an example. So what we can do is we can actually take this here, switch it with variable, and you can see here in Visual Studio Code it actually pops up here, which is really cool. And then if we save our script and hit play, you'll see here that it still says hello. So basically what's happening here is we're saying that the variable 1 is equal to the string hello. If we change hello to, let's say, hello Robin, which is my name, and we run the script, you can see that now it outputs hello Robin. So whatever variable is, it's going to print it out here, and we're changing what variable is equal to up at the top. So again, this is kind of how variables work. They're just representing something. So let's say we had a bunch of print functions with a variable here, and let's say we had a script that incorporated like a user input or something like that. But let's say we could use the variable to change it on the fly. So we could just change the variable, and then everything inside our script gets changed as well. So that's kind of how you use variables. They're basically a flexible type of data type that we can change on the fly if we need be. And we can add variables to strings, for example. So let's do a better example here where we say, let's say your name. And one thing I also want to point out is that generally speaking, variables are all in lowercase, and if you have two separate words, you can separate them with an underscore. This is the way most people will declare their variables in Python, but it's up to you guys and what you guys want to do. Some programming languages, they use like something called camel case, which is you capitalize the first letter. It depends on what language you're using, but generally speaking, Python is generally all lowercase. And let's go in here, and inside here I want you guys to put your name. So we could put Robin. And with the print function, we could take a string like hello, my name is, and then what we can do is we can actually add a variable in here as well. So we hit comma, space, and then we can add a variable. So let's type in your name, and what you'll see here is this will print our string hello, my name is, and then whatever your name represents. In this case, it's Robin. So let's save this up here, and let's run the script. And you can see here that it says, hello, my name is Robin. So that's how we can use variables at a very basic level in Python. And again, we can change this to whatever we want. So let's say if somebody wanted to change their name to Jake, you can save that. And you can see now our script is a lot more flexible, because now we can, whatever we change his name to, now it outputs somebody else's name. So that's a cool way you can use variables in Python, and there's a lot of cool different things you can do. But for now, what you guys should do is just try practicing maybe making your own variables, maybe try practicing some scripts on how you can combine things together. There's a lot of different ways you can use variables, and as we work more with Python, you'll see how they kind of work. But if you guys have any questions or anything like that, just let me know, and I'll be happy to help. So I hope you guys liked this video, hope you guys liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching, everybody, and take care.